Hi guys, Danielle Rose here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please subscribe, comment and like. I just want to wish you all a happy new year and I hope that you had a lovely Christmas. So as you probably can see from the title, today I'm going to be reviewing slash unboxing my Louis Vuitton Alma BB handbag. So approximately 1 month ago I was gifted this by my boyfriend for my 25th birthday. When I tell you, I've had my eye on the bag forever, like literally forever, but the only thing is it had been out of stock for ages, and then when it came back into stock it went up to £915, but when I had my eye on it, it was £855, but I still wanted it. And what we had to do, well, what my boyfriend had to do, he had to call up the Louis Vuitton head office to find out how much stock was in London. So they said that Selfridges had low quantity, but they couldn't actually tell us the amount. And they also said that for Harrods, and they were like, the day that you're actually planning to go get the handbag, call in the morning just to find out. So on the Saturday morning, we called up the head office. They said that Oxford Street Selfridges has roughly like 1 or 2 left. So we got to Oxford Street really early, around 10 a.m. to get the handbag. And yeah, rest assured there was one. No, was there one? There was one left. Yeah, there was one handbag left. And oh my god, I'm so happy with it. It is very cute and dainty. So I'm just going to go ahead and actually show you guys the packaging. So you guys already know the famous orange Louis Vuitton gift bag. It also comes with this. So it comes with the documents, it comes with the receipts. So they present you with this when you purchase anything from Louis Vuitton. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to show you guys it. I'm going to unbox it. So it actually did come with a blue ribbon wrapped around, which had the Louis Vuitton logo, which was super cute. I actually didn't really want to open it, but for my birthday weekend, we went out for a few drinks and I was like, I have to actually wear this. So yeah. So this is the box. It's got a magnetic clasp opening, which is like this. Okay. So here's the dust bag. It comes in a beige dust bag. And oh yeah, here's the ribbon. So yeah, it came with this wrapped around the orange box. Yeah, so which is super cute. Oh my god, I actually love it. It smells so fresh. It smells of fresh leather. It smells so crisp, so brand new. I love the smell of new handbags. Just look at it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So a little bit about the bag. I'm going to tell you guys the sizing and everything of it, the width and the height. So this bag is approximately 25 centimeters lengthways, and then the height is 17 centimeters, and then the width is 9.5 centimeters. So just look at it. Look how beautiful it is. So it comes with, as you can see, a gold zip lining, which is super cute and super classy. On the bottom of it, it has gold studs, and I'm just gonna come a little bit closer to the camera. Hopefully it focuses. So around the studs, it actually says Louis Vuitton. Okay, and I really like that they thought of having the studs underneath, because I've got a phobia of putting my luxury handbags down on the floor. Like, I hate it. Like, I'd rather, if I go out and I go out for a meal or something, I'd rather put it on the table or put it on my lap or something, but I'm not going to put my handbag on the floor. But if you do put your handbag on the floor, it's got these studs, so technically your handbag is not touching the floor, which is good. So I like that aspect of it. This is super cute. So it has 2 keys in this, and that is for the padlock. So I suppose like if you were traveling, you were in the airport or something, and you wanted all your belongings inside to be safe and secure, you can always lock it with the 2 keys and with the padlock that's provided, and I really like it. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Come a little bit closer. Okay, so inside it has a bright red lining. Look how gorgeous it is. It really complements the handbag, the red. I feel like red is such a sexy, sophisticated, classy like statement. If you think of like Christian Louboutin heels with the red style, I just love the fact that it's got red, and red is one of my favorite colors. So yeah, so I'll just go ahead and I'll show you it inside. So it has a little pocket inside, which is very convenient and very handy. So if you've got like loose change, you want to pop like a key in there or something, a ticket, a train ticket or something, then you've always got that option to put it in there and keep things separate and secure. I'll just show you what's in here. So it came with this card, which basically says Louis Vuitton coated cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. Yeah, so it came with that inside it. And what I would basically say that can actually fit in the handbag is, well, I've got the iPhone 11 Pro Max phone, and that fits in there. I can fit a small wallet, I can fit my lip gloss, some powder, a foundation brush. I can also fit like my house keys. Yeah, so you can fit a lot. Obviously I don't try and overfill it because I want to like maintain the shape and everything like that. I love the fact that it also comes with a strap that you can clip on, and it has gold detailing, and it has the XL, so the monogram print. I'm a bit closer just in case you guys, the camera didn't pick it up. But yeah, that is it. Okay, so yeah, as I said, I love the fact that it comes with a strap, because in the daytime when I do actually get more wear out of the handbag, I will be wearing this across my body like this, and in the evenings I will take the strap off because I feel like it's super like sophisticated and super classy to have this on your hand just like this. So you can wear like a blazer dress, high knee boots, and just have this in your hand, and I feel it gives it this super expensive look. And I love the fact that it's a structured handbag because it does give it this I'm that bitch look. Yeah, so I love this handbag. It's even the handles are super soft, like super soft leather. The bottom of it is super soft. I like the fact that they haven't missed any detail. Like, there's a lot of detail to this handbag. It also has this detail here. Is it going to focus? So it's got the detail. So it's got the XL, the monogram print, and then it has, when it focuses, it's probably going to show you guys. Okay, here we go. So yeah, I like the fact that it has this. So it's got a lot of detail, which is super cute. I know it's a tiny handbag, but so sometimes you don't want to be carrying like a massive bag, especially when I go away. I feel like this is going to be super convenient because like if I'm in the airport, I can always put it across me, but then when I get to my destination and if I want to go for a meal or something, I don't want to take like a massive handbag. So this is just convenient, and if I'm going out for like walks or something, I can always put the strap, the crossbody around me. They do have a larger size, which is called the Alma PM, and I do believe that is over £1,000. I didn't actually want the larger bag because I feel like it's just kind of like big. It's big and clumpy for me, and that's not what I'm kind of going for. And a lot of like micro bags, like tiny bags, are in fashion now. So yeah, it's super cute, this bag. Let me just show you the padlock, which I love. I love a good Louis Vuitton padlock. It's just adorable, don't you think? So cute.
2,000 years later.
Okay, it's out. Had to proper shake that. So yeah, it comes with the famous gold padlock, and it says Louis Vuitton Paris. And then it's got the XL, and it's super shiny. And yeah, so I can unlock the padlock with the 2 keys that are provided in here, and I can lock it and hook it in there, which is lovely. So I did want to review it and just share my thoughts on the handbag, because as I said, I've wanted this handbag for a long time. But I do feel like it is worth the money, because you can dress it up, you can dress it down. It is like, it's a very good purchase. With Louis Vuitton handbags, they always stay the same. I don't feel like you can have a Louis Vuitton handbag for like 5-10 years and it will stay the same. The monogram, that ages a little bit because the leather is I think it's cow leather. With the Damier print, they kind of stay the same, and I was in 2 minds with whether to get the Damier print or to get the monogram. And I looked at a lot of videos on YouTube, like which one shall I go for? But I just feel like this is such a classic. I feel like you can wear this rain or shine. With the monogram, I do believe, and from a lot of reviews I saw, is that you shouldn't really take the monogram bag out when it's raining, because you can get watermarks, and I'm a person that I don't want my bag to get ruined, and I know that will be a lot on my mind, so that might stop me from wearing the bag when I want, like if I've got a nice outfit and it happens to be raining, it's like, oh, I can't wear the bag because of this basis. Obviously you can wear it if you want it, but I'm just a person that loves to like take care of my handbags and make sure that they are in good quality. So yeah, here's the bag. I love it. It is super cute, super tiny, but yeah, as I said, it was worth the money. I'm happy. I'm glad my boyfriend got me the handbag. I love it. It is gorgeous. If you do want to see more videos like this, then definitely leave a comment below, because with my channel it is beauty, lifestyle and fashion, so it's going to be a broad range of everything. I love to shop, so there's going to be a lot of fashion try on hauls. I'm going to be doing hair reviews, everything, so there's going to be a broad range. So definitely, if you do like my channel, please put a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, I just want to thank you guys for watching my video and taking the time, yeah, to view my videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.